So today we're trying this 25 feet 30 amp extension that we got for this trailer. We don't have a connection that is really close, so we got a 25 foot long extension and we're gonna test it out. And this is a heavy duty, you know, you want to get a good quality, don't get a cheap one. And besides this extension, you're gonna need this adapter, and you can get it at your hardware places. This is where you can connect it to your power in your house. So today we're gonna try this 30 amp extension cord. It's a heavy duty extension cord, and the nice thing about this, it comes with a really strong handle, so you can pull it. And this is nice when you connect it somewhere your RV doesn't have a place where you can connect it, and you're gonna need a long extension cord. So we got a 25 feet long, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in right now.
So we got our power connected now, and we do have one of these things to make sure that our power doesn't get any damage or anything like that. We're also gonna place another one there. We're plugging it in against the wall so we can make sure that we're always power. And make sure you have your proper electrical outlet set up for this, because you are gonna need, if you don't have one, you are gonna need an electrician to help you out with this. So these are the actual connections you're gonna need. You do need an adapter for this type of connection, and you are gonna need the power amp for this type of connection. Very thick, strong, outdoor graded cable. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.